Namaskar. Welcome to Dr. Rao's Temple of Learning. This is your YouTube channel, Spiritual Management Course. Today we are discussing the concluding part 4 of the discourse entitled as Scientific Spirituality, Spiritualistic Science and Spiritual Technology. Yes, this is Dr. A.P. Rao, Vice President, Telecom Division, HPL India Private Limited, MIDC Ranjangaon, Pune, Maharashtra. So, welcome to the concluding part of the discourse. Summary of part 1 says the science and its researchers have found the human whole body fundamental resonance frequency to be around 5 to 10 hertz. We have seen that when we confront with the phenomena of parascience, can't resolve them by present day scientific justifications. According to Sankhya, all cosmic evolution are due to vibration of space or perpetual oscillations due to axiomatic laws as a frozen hologram. We have seen in the part 3 and collected the details about the hologram and that a neutrino is a subatomic particle that interacts only via the weak subatomic force and gravity. This we have discussed in part 3 and now for this concluding part. In spiritual management, Purusha is said to be the witnessing consciousness or energy of substratum, and Prakriti is the root cause of the creation, that is, the external samsara. It is to be noted that paradoxically, cosmic physics confirms that there is no place in this universe where there are no neutrinos, even though the space is declared as a vacuum. The Sankhya establishes scientifically through axiomatic logic that every identifiable location in space functions as a perfect and perpetual harmonic oscillator. This oscillator remains in the same static location with the energy spectrum characteristics and dynamics of a micro black hole quantum. So, energy or consciousness is Purusha as per the spiritual management and is the cause of creation, and Prakriti or external world or samsara is the outcome or the effect of it. In simple words, Sankhya suggests and proves mathematically that space is not empty. The vibrations are present in space everywhere with perpetual motion. Perpetual signifies the state where no loss or generation of energy is associated. The cyclic time cycle of same proportion is said to be the cause of physical or any sort of manifestation in the world. Expansion, compression and resonance due to vibrations applied to three gunas causes appearance, that is manifestation in the form of external world observed by us. When the vibrations remain and adds up at the same location is inelastic collision, we call it tamoguna. When vibrations change with their location, that is moving away, is elastic gradient expansion, and in spiritual management we call it sadguna. and when vibration shuffle between the first two categories is resonant or bound state, and that is called Rajguna. As per the Sankhya Shastra, Mool Prakriti, that is also called cosmological activity constant, is the fundamental quantum of cyclic time, inertia, or mass. The numerical value of the cosmological constant is calculated using a recently suggested cosmological model and found to be 2.036 into 10 to the power minus 13 second square inverse. Present day science is also saying the same as that of the Indian mythology, that the universe is a expanding universe, as we can see through this picture. Mool Prakriti is the smallest possible mass or the fundamental unit, which is a micro black hole in holographic form. Here we have shown the picture of micro black hole as an elementary particle. The smallest cubic unit at the core is a tiny black hole called Andhata Mishra that oscillates. It contains 2.7 degree background microwave radiation in the space, that is substratum. The holographic illusion showing a quantum particle collapsing in on itself and forming a micro black hole. This is seen in sciences. As per the Sankhya Shastra, the coherent state is the specific quantum state of quantum harmonic oscillator. It is a state which has dynamics most closely resembling the oscillatory behavior of a classical harmonic oscillator. Purusha is a coherent black hole, and oscillatory activity of black hole quanta is Prakriti. That is why the nature or the external world is known to be ever changing, as said in mythological literature in the East. Any manifestation in the universe can be explained by cyclic time variation, either in simultaneous or in sequential phase. Cyclic time variation simply means something is evolving around cycles. Simultaneous means existing, occurring, or operating at the same time. And sequential means the things happening in consecutive or logical order. These self-similar laws in spiritual management they call dharma of universal interaction acts in three axiomatic ways are only called gunas, as explained earlier. Three gunas. The coherent and synchronized state of substratum of space is to be upset or imbalanced, that is desynchronization of the coherent state externally to extract energy from the space. This is how we have learned some details of scientific spirituality, spiritualistic science, and spiritual technology as a part of spiritual management course. These details are collected through the writings of Mr. G. Srinivasan, who has written the book called Secret of Sankhya acme of scientific unification in 2013 and 2014. As a concluding remark, we may say that the Sankhya logically unifies science and religion, the two sides of the same coin called reality. There is no better way than to allow this axiomatic law of dharma to unify the twin polarized concept of science and religion. The same law of dharma would act transcendently to improve human well-being of Hinduism, a state of nirvana in Buddhism, and a state of charismatic surrender to the will of the Creator. In conclusion, we may say that the science and spirituality may calmingly raise the humans to become the superhuman. Thank you very much. And as usual, I have finished this discourse with a shloka from Veda. Om Purnamadaha Purnamudam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Means it appears you can take as much as you want from the nature and still you will be left with as much. Thank you very much.